Good afternoon, students. Our today's topic is related to global enterprises. Global enterprises are also known as multinational companies. In short form, we will say MNCs. So, what does it mean, beta? A company which is registered in one particular country, but whose products are sold or produced in various other countries. So, these are the global enterprises. For example, beta, if I talk about the USA country, any company which is registered in USA, but that company is providing their services, providing their products in another countries, just like India, China, Canada, Australia, and so on. So that are the examples of multinational companies. So here are some popular examples of multinational companies like Wipro, Asian Paints, Ranbaxy. Ranbaxy is a pharmaceutical company which which are making the tablets medicinal, or Samsung, Sony, Coca-Cola. Along with these, there are various another examples of multinational companies. So in nutshell, we can say that company which operating more than one country is known as multinational companies. The head office of these companies is in their home country. Means to say that if any country, suppose there is a company which is a multinational company, and the main office or head office of that particular MNC in their own country. So let's talk about the features of multinational company. So first feature is centralized management. Centralized management, beta, the headquarter or head office of that country is in the home country. It expands its business in other countries by opening branches or subsidiary companies in another countries. So in this way, centralized, the multinational companies are centralized. So worldwide spread of business. The business of the multinational companies spread in many countries. This company fully exploit the local conditions prevailing in the host country. So the multinational company run or operate worldwide. So in this way, the business of these companies are spread worldwide. So better quality products. The multinational company has to compete on the world level. So special attention is given to the best quality of the products. Large size. Multinational company has huge assets. The value of the assets of the Reliance industry is approximately $110 billion. Or if I talk about in an Indian currency, so the total assets of Reliance is 8,16,348. So similarly, State Bank of India has 195 branches in 36 countries. So these are the fresh data of multinational companies. So access to international market. So multinational companies easily establish its identity in the international market because of its many products, good quality products, or they spend more and more cost on the research and good marketing facilities. Next is special attention to the advertisement. Multinational companies' main successes depends upon the advertisement. So the advertisement is the secret of these multinational companies. So means to say that they focused more and more to the advertisement for the success of multinational companies. So this is all about the meaning and features of multinational companies. Thank you so much.